to another HTM Jobs how-to, the last how-to video of 2023. This month we're going to be talking about ways to stay motivated during the holiday season. We touched on this a little bit last time on the episode on why making a career change during the holidays might be a great thing. This month we're going to go into a little bit more depth to keep you guys motivated through the end of the year.
We found a great article on Forbes that goes over some key ways to stay focused and maintain high productivity. We're just going to highlight some of our favorites. My first favorite is to create your to-do list and prioritize your task. You have a lot of things going on professionally and personally, so sometimes writing it down based on high priority, medium, and low priority can help you check it off quicker once you have it organized.
Two that I loved that I wanted to touch on were plan early and communicate your expectations and your schedule. Something that goes along with this is start working on your year-end projects early and make sure that your personal tasks are getting organized and delegated. We don't want everybody's schedules to all coincide, so we want everyone to know what they're aware of, what they need to be doing, and make sure everything goes smoothly at the end of the year in the workforce and on your personal front.
And then two more that I really like is do a self-evaluation. You're hitting the end of the year, look back at this year of what you've accomplished, what you could have worked better on, and that goes into look forward to next year. Now's the time to start setting yourself up for new goals and things that you can achieve. So this is the time where you really are looking at what you've done this past year and what you can strive for next year.
Another one that I loved is don't overcommit. We're in the season of holiday parties, whether that's corporate or personal, school gatherings for your kids, work luncheons that you get invited to. It's always nice to be included. Don't feel bad saying no to a few of these. You don't want to overcommit where it runs into affecting your mental well-being, how you show up for work, your ability to get your job done. So say yes to the ones you want to and don't feel guilty saying no to the ones you don't.
And last but not least, remember what the holidays are all about. It's time to spend with family, friends, loved ones. You worked hard all this year, so you can take some much needed time to just really be with people that lift your spirits and enjoy your time off.
The holidays can be hard for people. We want to make sure that everyone's getting in the holiday spirit the best way they can and enjoying the last few weeks of 2023. As always, like and subscribe and make sure to comment below what you want to see on future episodes.
You can register to htmjobs.com for free and go to TechNation TV, our YouTube channel, to learn more on how to.
Happy holidays. Thanks, guys.